Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic we're gonna do forecast of the week. As you know that we like to focus more on the indices. So what I'm gonna leave you with, just don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below. So the topic of today, we're gonna basically focus on NAS100. We're gonna analyze NAS100. What we see possible move coming this week, and then we're gonna we're gonna analyze gold, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm expecting on gold this coming week. So let's get to it. Don't forget, before you go and watch this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below, as it will update you whenever I upload a new video. So let's get it. So as you know, this is NAS100. The NAS100 move is a bullish move. So as you know that we like to start our analysis on a daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame. You know that we have been having this trend line that has been supporting for several months. So we are having this supporting trend line. So obviously we were expecting a drop on it, and then we're expecting to buy it somewhere around here, and then we're expecting to take our profit long term. So as you move to smaller time frame, I'm going to show you what we were expecting, or what we were looking at for the past few weeks. So this is basically the resistance trend line. This is the resistance trend line. Right now we're expecting NAS100. We're expecting NAS100 to push and break this high, and then so that we can have a resistance, so that we can touch our resistance trend line, and then we can drop again. So this is the possible move that we are seeing on NAS100. So let's basically right now, let's just move to your H4 time frame. So let's just move to your H4 time frame, because from a daily time frame you move to your H4 time frame, because an H4 time frame, that's basically an important it is an important time frame of them all, because you tend to see future prices when you analyze on your NAS100. You see the bigger picture. Where is NAS100 gonna go for the coming weeks? So let's just make this to be something like this. As you know that we're on a downtrend. On a downtrend, what do? We are selling the market on a downtrend. So we are sort of having this resistant trend line, and right now we are on the break on the trend line. So where we had this supporting trend line. So this supporting trend line, we knew that we had a first touch here, and then we had a second touch, and our second touch, it was a double confirmation, because we touched our support trend line, and then we basically touched our another supporting trend line. So this was basically telling us that NAS100 is looking super bullish. So right now we're breaking this trend line. So let's basically go and mark our resistance and support, our support zones and our resistance. So this is basically where we would have been bought on NAS100. So let's just basically delete this, and then right now we are in what? We are in a clear uptrend. So right now we are in a clear uptrend. So this is a clear uptrend that we are looking at. So this is a clear uptrend. So right now we sort of broke out of what? Of this selling trend. What we are expecting on NAS100, we are expecting just NAS100 to give us a low price on the trend line to retest our what? To retest our resistance trend line as a new support, and then we are basically looking for it to push this high, and then after we have touched our resistance, we're expecting a drop on it, so that it can give us what? So that it can give us our third touch confirmation, and then so that we can go to the upside with it and break our what? And break our high, our current high. So we are going to smash this, because this is a 90% rule of NAS100. So NAS100 right now, we're broken out of this. So let's just simply delete this. So let's just go and take this, and then break out, retest, and then we're expecting what? We're expecting our 90% rule to be somewhere around here. So this is basically where NAS100 is headed. So NAS100, we are headed to the highs, and then we are gonna do what? We're gonna smash the high. So when price get to these zones, you wanna look for your resting point or your resting structure. You're gonna look for something like this, and then you're gonna break this. So this is what you must basically look for when you get to the high. So this is what we're expecting, and then let's just simply finish our analysis. So this was our support, and then right now we are headed to what? We are headed to our resistance. But before we head to our resistance, we are having some kind of a zone somewhere around here. This is the zone that we are looking at, and then we sort of had what? We sort of had a breakout, and then we sort of had a retest, and we are broken out of what? our resistance trend line, then we want to see NAS100 giving us a low price on the trend line, and then we want to take buy. So right now we are headed here before we can break the high. That's where we are headed here, and then after here we want to look for what? We want to look for reversal pattern, because I think we're gonna test this, but we are not gonna test this with a high impulse. Just gonna approach the trend line with a slightly slow momentum, and then we're gonna push to the upside. So although right now we are gonna expect a drop on it, just take buys, never take sells. Take buys. If Nasdaq can decide to drop, that's where you know that here, that's where you're gonna do what? You're gonna buy. And then we are having this resistance trend line, so we are looking to do what? We are looking to buy NAS100 as soon as it give us a retest on the trend line. Then we're going to take our overall profit. From here, we are going to be determined how do we get here for us to take more buys. If you can break this, that's where you're going to wait for a retest, run about here, and then we're going to take more buys as we are approaching to the upside. So this NAS100, let's just simply to go to a 1 hour time frame. That's basically where the analysis are going to end. So right now, we are looking what? We are looking super clean on NAS100. We are looking super clean. We're having this kind of structure. And then we are waiting for what? We are waiting for NAS100 to give us a low price on the trend line, and then we're gonna take what? We're gonna take buys. So we are done with sells. Focus more on what? Focus more on buys. So this was NAS100 for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below, and go and follow us on Instagram. My personal handle is Kevin_James, and then our business account is Forex_Go. So let's just simply go to your gold. So let's just simply go to gold. So even gold is looking super clean, but I think it's gonna have some drop on it. So let's just simply go to our our daily time frame. Let's just simply to go to our daily time frame. So this is basically a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, that's where we catch what? That's where we catch the long-term move, or that's where we spot the momentum of the market. So let's just simply go to our daily, and then let's just simply make this to be smaller, and then let's just take a trend line here on the highs, and then let's just go down with it. We know that this is the 90% rule that we're going to focus on. If you can decide to break this trend line, that's where we're going to be going. That's where we're going to be headed. So let's just simply take this and clone it. Let's just simply take this and clone it, and then so that we can have what? Our supporting trend line. So we're having something like this. And then right now, on Friday, when we had some kind of a third type, that's where we saw a big push to the downside. So we saw a big push to the downside. As you can see, we had a first touch, second touch, third touch, and then third touch. You know that's a high probability trade. We have took this trade. If you are following me on Instagram, you have seen that I was on this trade too. And then we're having some kind of we're having some kind of a resistance somewhere around here. So this is basically where gold is headed. So gold is headed somewhere around here. If we get to this point, we're gonna be determined how do we get there. But I'm looking at the overall move. I'm looking at gold to come to the support trend line. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at for the coming weeks. So let's just simply to go to your H4 time frame. So on the H4 time frame, we're in an uptrend, and then we are sort of on the trend line. So this is what we are having right now. And then let's just simply clone this, and then let's have our resistant trend line. So this is what we are basically having right now. We sort of on the third chart, that's where we saw a high probability trade. So what I'm looking at on gold, I'm looking for gold to break this, and then I'm looking for it to give me just a high price so I can sell it and capitalize on it. I'm gonna take my profit on my 90% rule. So this is basically what we are looking at. This is what we're gonna be expecting on gold. So we are coming to this, and then on here we're gonna look for what? We wanna look for sales so that we can capitalize on it, going to the downside even further. So this is what we are looking at on gold, and then we're sort of approaching the trend line with a high momentum with the candlestick. The candlestick are telling us that we're gonna smash what? We're gonna smash this trend line. So let's just simply go to your 1 hour time frame. So on a 1 hour time frame, what I'm just gonna expect just a high price giving me a double top, and then I'm gonna sell it. If it doesn't do this, I'm expecting a break, just a break on it, and then I'm expecting a retest. So that's it for gold. That's it for a video. A video has come to an end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below, as it will update you whenever I upload a new video. So I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace out.